Did you know there is a bird that can fly for over 2 months without landing? And guess what? It even sleeps while flying. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Meet the frigate bird, a bird with a superpower. Amazing flyers. They can stay in the air for weeks without stopping. No resting on trees, no landing on water, just endless flying. Here is the secret. They sleep with only half their brain. One side stay awake to watch where they are going, while the other side take a quick nap. And they don't sleep for hours like us. They take teeny naps, just 7 seconds at a time, and in one whole day, they sleep only 45 minutes. So why do not they just land on the ocean and rest? Well, they cannot, unlike ducks and seagulls. Frigate birds' feathers are not waterproof. If they touch the water, they may drown. So how do they fly for so long? They use wind power. They glide on warm air currents, saving energy and staying in the sky for thousands of miles. Even when they sleep, they stay alert. If another bird comes too close, they walk up in a split second to avoid crashing. Think about this. If humans slept like frigate bird, we did get only 45 minutes of sleep a day. Imagine pulling an all-nighter every single night. Nature is full of surprises. Would you want the power to sleep while moving? Tell us in the comments.